Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today,
Idibia apologizes to Tubaba, says, I was suicidal. Let's check out the story. Actress Idibia has penned an emotional and moving apology to her husband, megastar Innocent Tubaba Idibia, over the marital issues of the past couple of months. In a lengthy Instagram post, the actress said that she was sorry for putting him out there, telling him that that was not the woman he married. She also apologized to her mother and mother-in-law for causing them pain, then told them that they can't throw her away for letting her emotions control her. Idibia, a mother of two, also said she wanted to commit suicide at the time. In September, the entrepreneur came online to accuse Tubaba of sleeping under the same roof as Pero Adeniyi, the mother of three of his children. It was a sweeping post that took in her husband's brother and manager for being part of a conspiracy that blindsided her. Then, an audio of Annie crying and threatening to spoil everything also went viral. However, on her 37th birthday, Annie reached out to all that felt hurt by her actions with an apology that is touchy and promised not to do the same again. Idibia wrote, "It's a brand new chapter for me and would really love to start it on a clean slate. This year has been a lot, so much blessings and pain. My hands are shaking as I type this. I let a lot of people down, especially the people close to me. The last 10 weeks has been the worst of my entire life. Yes, the worst since I've been born. I have gone from being so angry to being so broken and back to anger, and then sadly, which I am ashamed to admit, suicidal. I have acted so badly in a way I'm not proud of. I allowed my emotions cloud me. I allowed my emotions to lead me into making bad decisions. Allowed my anger and emotions to make me act on something that wasn't true because I was kept in dark. Instead of remaining calm before acting, I want to apologize to my husband, Ino. I am so sorry I threw you out there like I did. So unwise. That isn't the kind of woman you married. Totally sorry for all the mental stress and heartbreak it cost you. So sorry I put both our families out there the way I did. I still be your smallie o. To my beautiful mothers, my amazing mother and my beautiful mother-in-law, I am so sorry I let both of you down. No mother should go through the kind of pain that you both felt. I am really sorry. I am still your baby. I am far from perfect, but I have decided to choose peace, and I want to do better given the chance. To both my families, the Macaulays and the Idibias, I am sorry for all the pain and disrespect towards both families. Please forgive me. Una no fit throw away una pikin o. To all my 7.1 plus family out there, thank you for still standing and supporting me and my brand. To all the brands that are working with us, thank you for still sticking with your Nokoyo. To the ones we are in talks with, I appreciate. To my big brother and friend Efio Morigwe, I am so sorry. To my manager Fadikemi, thank you for your patience and for sticking by. To my online in-laws, where I carry my matter come give, thanks for all the love, the bashing and rebuking I have learned to, and no do am again. All I want for my birthday is peace. Annie Macaulay Idibia." This was accompanied with a picture of both Annie and Tubaba, with the inscription, how it started and how it's going. While Two-Face on his part also took to Instagram to celebrate his wife, he posted a montage of their headshot and wrote, "Special birthday blessings, Idibia." This was followed by a slow-mo video of Annie in a chic-tie long red dress and matching bag glasses, and the song Unstoppable by Sia was playing in the background. If you ask me, I would say that we are very excited that this is happening, as we really want these two to enjoy their marriage as they've done since they got married. Let's know what you think about this story. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.